Mother and her boyfriend are headed to trial to face murder charges. As 7 Action News reporter Anu Prakash explains tonight, little Emmanuel Foster weighed just 27 pounds when he died far too young.
It's hard to even imagine the kind of pain little Emmanuel Foster must have suffered. A judge said late today that she believes both his mother and her boyfriend are equally responsible for his death. Victoria Foster cried, and her boyfriend Corey Rimson held his head down as they learned they're heading to trial for the death of 7-year-old Emmanuel Foster, Victoria's son. Investigators say he had been tortured from head to toe. He died last October with 57 bruises and sepsis and infection throughout his body. He weighed only 27 pounds, the average weight of a 2-year-old. Eleanor Foster is Victoria's great-great-aunt.
I want to see who's ever responsible take the blame for this, because I'm praying that she did not have anything to do with this, because I've helped raise this little girl. She would never do something like this to her baby.
Police say the little boy was often in Rimson's care while his mom Victoria worked in Saginaw. She had gotten a job at Wendy's and, according to police, would come back home once a week to Detroit. Prosecutors say Rimson and Foster knew Emmanuel was in severe pain, but never took him to a doctor because they knew they'd be suspected of abuse. They say the couple devised a medical treatment plan for Emmanuel that included ibuprofen. It was even written on paper and taped to the wall of their home as a reminder.
Give Manny 400 milligrams, aka 2 pills every 6 hours. Underneath that is 7 a.m.-1 p.m.-7 p.m. It goes on to state, have him drink the Ensures with 1 fatty meal.
Prosecutors say little Emmanuel suffered injuries to his entire body, including a broken eye socket, a broken collarbone, and gangrene on his feet. An unimaginable horror.
But for something like this to happen to a sweet little boy like this, it's unspeakable. It's unheard of. I've never heard of anything like this in my life. And this shouldn't happen to anybody. I want to see justice served.
Eleanor Foster may believe that Corey Rimson is to blame, but the judge said when it comes to the mother, Victoria, I don't know how a mother came home to her kid and saw the condition of her son and did nothing. Both are charged with torture and felony murder. They're expected back in court on March 13th. In downtown Detroit, Anu Prakash, 7 Action News.